guys, this is a special one. Yes, a special one about a nozzle. And I say it's a game changer. Yes, the BambuLab X1 was a game changer, but I still own normal printers, deltas, normal bed slingers. And after you have printed with the X1 and its speed, it's so boring to watch my Sidewinder. Yeah, it's modified, but it is so slow compared to the X1 from BambuLab. I had to do something. My first idea was the CHT nozzle from Bondtech. An amazing nozzle. I have seen a few videos. I think one of the best is from Stefan from CNC Kitchen. Link is here. Go watch it after you watched my video, please. And he did a really detailed video about the pros, how it's made, how it works. But the CHT is not a cheap nozzle. It's, at the moment I'm recording, 24 euros. That's almost 1-to-1 in dollars. And that, I must say, was a little bit expensive for my opinion. Yes, it's a high quality nozzle, but I wanted to go cheaper, and for cheaper, yes, I go China. And I hope this is no infringement of the patent from Bondtech. I'm really not sure, cause the one I bought from Aliexpress, also link is down in the description, to Bondtech and to the Aliexpress one. I'm really not sure they broke the patent, cause it is a different design. You see clearly it is inspired by the CHT, but it's not a 1-to-1 copy. Let me show that to you in pictures. As you can see, this is the Bondtech CHT. I say the original. And this one is the one I bought from AliExpress. As you can see, it's not a 1-to-1 copy, a one-on-one copy. It's not. So if you have the money and want to spend 24 euros, go to Bondtech, buy the CHT. It's an amazing nozzle. But if you have a Volcano hot end like me, you have the next problem, cause the China one are made for normal hot ends. The Volcano needs a much longer nozzle, but there comes an easy adapter, also bought in China. All links down in the description as always. You screw the adapter in and then the length is reduced for a normal size nozzle and you are good to go. That's what I did. I was really skeptical the first time I did that. To compare it, let me show you some prints from the CHT and a few from the China one, and then compare by yourself. I really hope they don't break the patent. There is no pressure advanced, no linear advanced enabled, nothing. Firmware is Marlin. No special version, nothing. So, second layer, 7,500 millimeter per minute. Layer height, .35. And still a .6 nozzle. Again, 7,500 millimeter per minute. Yes, there is a little bit of a ramp, but isn't this impressive for an 80% stock Sidewinder Artillery X1 with Volcano hot end? I have not changed the hot end itself. Still the same heater, still the same heat brake, fans, extruder motor, gear. After the prints, all I have to say, for me, the China one, and I really don't want to call it a clone, it isn't a really one-on-one clone, is for me, I don't want to say the better one, but it isn't worse. And that for, and now I say it, €4. It was $4.50. It was 4 for the nozzle and 50 cents for shipping from China to Germany. So we have an amazing nozzle for under $5, and it really compares to the CHT for €24. It's 23.65 or so. We say 24 and 5 for the China one. Yeah, that's a word. So for my PLA, PETG, ABS, ASA, I go, and sorry Bondtech to say that, I go with the China one. If, and it's a big if they are breaking the patent, I no longer use it. I don't support that. I emailed Bondtech, but I have no response yet. Maybe there is an update. Look down in the description or in the comments. If Bondtech tells me that they are breaking the patent, I will no longer use it. Be sure. I don't support breaking patents. Cheap or not. Patent is patent. So that's for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, follow the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for that. Stay safe, stay healthy. DM4DS Sandor. Bye. See you in the next one.